Okay, photographers, so I'm going to show you how to do a blog post for your Elements and Principles chart with Blogger. Some of you use Blogger, some of you use WordPress and Wix. If you did WordPress and Wix and you have any difficulties, please post your questions on the Google Doc and then I'll help you that way. So first, please give yourself a title. It should be the title of the assignment. So the elements and principles of design, or also the elements and principles of art. So next I want you to take a photo of your paper chart that you made. So take a photo and then you can upload it on your cell phone, or you could email it to your laptop and download it. And then you'll click on this photo button here and then choose files and then look through your downloads and try to find your file. Easiest way to find things is to search by the date, so click date modified and at the top should be recent dates. Okay, so here's my chart. So I'm just using one from the internet, but please, yours should be your paper chart. Okay, so right click on it, make it big, extra large, since it's full of all these small clippings. And in your photo, make sure I can clearly see the words across the top and the side. So you should have all the principles one way, so here it's across the top, and all the elements the other way. So here it's down the side. Remember, 6 of the photos need to be ones that you took yourself, so with your cell phone. So please circle or star the 6 that you took and let me know. And if you're not able to print those photos and add them to your chart because you don't have a printer, then just write C blog. So write C blog in each of the empty squares and then post those photos on your blog. And I would still like you to post the 6 photos on your blog anyways, and explain them. So to do that, actually wait, first let's label it. So let's go to add caption. So I'm going to write my chart. Okay, next I'm going to add my 6 photos that I took. So I'm going to click on the photo button again and then find my photo. Okay, so you're going to add each of your photos and let's make it big. Add caption. So let's label, what element do we see here? We see color. And what principle? Contrast. Okay, and then just a little explanation of the photo. So I'm going to say the light blue pillow contrasts with the dark gray blanket. Okay, so color and contrast. This could also be the element of line. We've got curving lines on the pillow and straight lines on the blanket. Alright, and then you're going to do the same for your next 5 photos. This is not like a Google Doc, it doesn't save automatically, so you need to click the save button or else you lose it. And then you can click preview to see how it looks. Okay, so it looks good, and just close that. And when you're ready, you need to press the orange publish button. If you don't press that button, I won't be able to see it. And then you can click view blog. So when you click view blog, then it'll show you what I can see. Okay, what's done, then I can click on the assignment and I see it there. Okay, that's it. Don't be afraid to ask me questions on the Google Doc. Bye.